Here's the opening range recap for November 23rd and 25th. This is a recap of the opening range. This is from Wednesday. Green lines here are Wednesday's opening range. We're looking at the S&P first. Hits pivot here, win for 25 and 50. Hits pivot here, win for 25 and 50. We're going to scroll over to Friday as well. Friday was a half a day. Thursday, the markets were closed. And that will be this white line here. Win for 25 and 50 on the only pivot hit there. Looking at the NQ, NQ was active on Wednesday. Let me scroll over here a minute. Oh, let me change this to the 3 minute, excuse me. Again, we're looking at the green line for Wednesday, which is right here. Pivot 1 is a win. They're actually all wins for all 4 pivot hits. Wins for 25 and 50 all the way around for that. And then the white line is Friday. And Friday we had 2 pivot hits as well. And one below and then one above, and both were wins for both 25 and the 50. Looking at the Dow actually did not have any pivot hits on Friday, which is right. This is Wednesday's Dow. Big opening range in comparison to the other ones. However, it just didn't get anywhere. It actually doesn't hit a pivot until Friday. What the interesting thing on that is the pivot, so there was no opening range trades for Friday, but the interesting thing is the opening range for Friday. Here is basically the pivot hit for Wednesday. That's also the first pivot for the Dow on Friday. So the Dow on Friday here is the opening range, is the white lines. That's your first pivot hit. It's actually a loss officially in looking at the things. This is actually an entry, but this is actually after 11 a.m. So, and that would have been a most safe trade if it would have hit here, missed it by a couple of ticks, and would have been a winner. But officially, it did not hit until after 11, so there is no most safe trade on Friday either. So didn't miss anything as far as the opening range. Most safe goes for those 2 days, trading days. We'll see what happens going forward. Take care.